Okay guys, I got a climate control from an 07 to 2011 Toyota Camry. This one works great. This one is recessed. So it's like jammed in there. It still moves, but it does not look like it should. Not sure if it even works. Bought it from Copart and I'm gonna end up selling this. I wanted to fix it before I sell it. So I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws. I already removed them. That's what they look like. And once you get those removed, you can lift this piece up right here, right there, and then those 2 tabs as well, and pop this piece off. So let's do that right now. Okay, now we're gonna remove this motherboard. I believe it's these 2 right there, this one right here, possibly these 2 and those 2 as well. I'm gonna remove these 5 first and then make sure, check if I need to remove that as well. And then you can take this board off. So let's do that now. Okay, so I did have to remove these. From there, we can just pop this off. And let's check it out. Look at that. And look at this. So now we got to remove this. So I just pulled this off. It's still jammed on this piece. So we're going to have to remove this. Let's check this out and see what we got to do to make it work. Okay. Okay, so I was able to get this out. What I did was I just took a flathead screwdriver and just kept prying it out from the sides and then just pulling it up, and it finally came apart. So now we're gonna look and see where all of these pieces go. So there's 4 little marks right there, and then there are 4 here as well. See, that's 1 right there, 1 right there, there, and the other side. So we're just gonna put this on first. Goes on like that. So these 2 pieces right here are going to go into those holes. Just like that. So now we fixed it. I think this happened because someone must have pushed down on it really hard. Maybe hit it with something, but I've had this happen a few times. So that's how you fix it. Everything should work now. No issues. Hopefully that helped, and hopefully that saved you some money. And be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.